Let's see if maple syrup will replace sugar in whipped coffee and still work the same. Whatever happens, I'm here for it. Let's go. In a vessel with tall sides, add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of boiling water, and blend with a powerful stick blender. If this works, it should quadruple in size, becoming fluffy and thick. The sure test is to turn the vessel upside down and nothing should drip out. Maple is one of my favorite flavors, so I'm hoping against hope that this works. And the verdict is, heck yes. Look at that thick, beautiful cream. Or maybe I shouldn't say cream because this beverage is vegan. One important difference that I have noticed with using half the sugar is that the foam tends to be a little airier than normal. This is just fine with me and my blood sugar, but a Dalgona expert might disagree. To each their own though. Look at this beautiful whipped coffee. I can't wait to enjoy this on the porch. But will the flavor hold up? Let's give it a try.
Whoa. That is, wow. That's my favorite. It's like a coffee maple flavored cloud. That's the texture and the flavor, and it's so good. And I am gonna be so jacked. I'm doing all these in one go, and I'm making one massive Dalgona for myself. Bye-bye sleep. Right now it's worth it. I'm gonna go for it. So obviously 2 of them are vegan and 1 is not because honey is not considered vegan. All 3 of them are delicious, and my favorite is the maple. So screw white sugar, get rid of that completely, because I'm not a super sweet coffee fan. In fact, whenever I go and order seasonal lattes, which I love, I get like a quarter of the syrup that they put in. Some would say that's not real coffee, but you know what? To each their own. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this experimental coffee journey with me. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. If you want to see more easy recipe videos and home and garden and creativity and all kinds of stuff, I'm gonna go bounce off some walls. So have a good night.